Hi, I'm Cain Carroll, and this is a short introduction to practice of self-soothing and calming using sound. And in this session, we're going to work with the chanting of Om. And I want to break down this sound into three components. Three components are A, U, and M. And this is a basic sense of the sounds that happen as we open the mouth and then close the mouth. So it's a sound that has been discovered in many different traditions around the world to have a sense of circular completion. So the ah represents the opening of the mouth and the basic sound that comes out as we simply open the mouth and then give some air. So try that. Just let the mouth open, give some breath and some sound. Ah. Before you start articulating the tongue or closing the mouth, as soon as you start to articulate the tongue, ah starts to become something else, either another vowel or some kind of consonant. But if we just let the mouth be open and let that basic sound come out, it's simply ah. So try it again. Open. Ah. Okay, so there's a sense of hollowness to the sound. And where you take the sound in terms of pitch or frequency, it doesn't really matter. You're just going to stay with what feels natural, what feels easy and enjoyable for you. You might be much higher or lower than I am. We're not going for a particular key in this practice. Okay, so now as ah stays open for a while, it starts to turn into ooh, ow, ow, ow. Okay, so it sounds like this. And so ow is on the way to the mouth closing. So the mouth is open, it's neutral, ah, and then the lips start to begin to close to finish the sound, to bring the mouth back to the closed position, which will be So let's go ow, and then add to the end. Sounds like this. Ah. So we could unpack the spiritual meaning of the sound. We could do a really deep dive into what Om or Aum mean or Amen means spiritually and culturally. That's not the point of the exercise today. The point is to use this primordial sound to calm the nervous system. And to do that, you just need to know three things. The basic opening is the force behind the sound. Ooh starts to take you into bringing the sound back inside, and then is the element of the sound that's done with the lips closed that brings the sound even more internal and creates an internal vibration. That's what creates the full circle. Open expression, beginning to close, closed, and then internal expression. The key here is learning how to feel those three different elements of the sound of Om, Ah, U, and We feel them with our body as vibration. So let's try that. Breathe in. Let's do two more. Focus on feeling. Breathe in. One more time, focus on feeling. Close the eyes and feel. Hear that sound in the silence. Hear it in the silence, the echo effect of the sound. Good, let the eyes fall open. Let's do one more round of the sound. And this time, notice how the opening, the ah, seamlessly turns into ooh, and seamlessly turns into So there's no break. This is leading your mind to this seamless process of tracking sound through this arc and tracking vibration in your body and bringing your attention ever more inward and starting to calm and focus the mind and settle the nervous system. Let your attention ride fully on that arc of the sound. Breathe in through the nose. Let the eyes fall open. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe in through the nose. Let the sound vibrate a little longer. Listen to the sound in the silence. Keep the mouth closed. Feel the echo effect, listening within, sensing within. Good, and let the eyes slowly open. Okay, good. So just a few short minutes of practicing ah, or om can focus the mind, calm the nervous system, settle the body. You can also do the sound at very, very low volume, almost as a whisper. Or do a couple rounds at volume and then take the sound internally and rest for a couple of moments after you finish the sound. Any time of day you can do this, anywhere. You can start your day with it, you can end your day with it. You can do it for a few minutes before you have a meeting or before you have something to do that requires lots of focus and energy and calm. Okay, hope you enjoyed the session today. See you next time.